This video explains how to set the home city on G-Shock watch model GA1000. Ensure that the watch is in the timekeeping mode. If it is not, hold down the mode button for about 2 seconds to switch to the timekeeping mode. Hold down the adjust button for about 2 seconds until adjective appears on the screen. Use the light button or the search button to scroll through the available city codes. Press the mode button to set the daylight setting time for the selected city. You can toggle the DST setting on and off using the search button. Press the adjust button to exit the setting mode.